Hey, it's Joe Crump. This next question I have is from Pete Chatta. I hope I pronounced your last name right, Pete. I know I couldn't pronounce actually the first name that you wrote on here other than the Pete in parentheses. The question is, what ideas can you give to a novice investor who already owns a couple of properties and is having issues coming up with down payment? Well, if you're buying properties and you're putting down payments down and you're getting new loans, which is the way most novice investors do it, you're doing it the wrong way. You can still make money doing it that way, and I'm not trying to denigrate what you've done already. You can still make money doing it. My guess is you're having cash flow problems too, because you probably got a small margin on your cash flow on your monthly income. And that's another problem. And I'm sure since you've got tenants, you've got problems with tenants and things like that as well. And the more properties you get, the bigger headaches you're going to have along those lines. I'm going to suggest doing it a completely different way. Don't use down payments. Don't get new loans. Even if you do want to do down payments and new loans, and you've got enough down payment to do it, you're eventually going to run out of borrowing power. After you get to 20, 25 properties, 25 loans, investment loans, they're going to stop giving you loans. The lenders just won't work with you anymore. So you have to find a different way to do it. A friend of mine who owns 220 properties had the same situation. She bought her first 20, 25 with loans, and they stopped giving them to her. So she had to buy the rest of them using terms, which is what she did over a few-year period. And now she's got a lot of great income coming in from these properties. But even then, it took her a while to build that. Now, one of the things that's happened over the years is, since she's using them as rental properties, the values have gone up, and she's got equity in the properties, and she bought them right, so she's doing okay, but she's constantly got cash flow problems. She works all the time, and she has to hire a lot of people, so her payroll is very high. You want to try to make your business a lot cleaner than that, and using the techniques that I'm teaching is going to make that happen for you. Don't necessarily have rental properties unless you've got a lot of equity in the property. Now, I think it makes sense once you have a lot of money to put large down payments on properties in order to protect that money, because you can use it as a retirement benefit income. You can, self-directed retirement plans, and you can take that money and you can put it down on properties instead of putting it into the stock market. It's a lot safer in a property. You're going to have control over it. You don't have control over what happens in the stock market. So there's ways that you can make money with that, but stop doing it the way you're doing it. You take a new look at what we're teaching and follow that path instead. Good luck to you.